been in Warren. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for urban areas and small streams in western Warren County, western Hunterdon County, central Bucks County in southeast Pennsylvania, Monroe County in northeast Pennsylvania, Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 8:45 p.m. At 2:48 p.m., rainfall reports between 2 and 3¼ inches have been reported across portions of the warned area. Excessive runoff from this rainfall will cause small creeks and streams to rise and leave their banks. Minor flooding of highways and other poor drainage areas and low-lying spots, including underpasses, is likely. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or has been reported. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground